beautiful 22. We have a beautiful 22 match. Yes, sir. Right off the bat. All right, last row. 7, we have 6. 37, we have 35. Yeah, of course, 36, 15. It looks like 22 is the only win. Beautiful 22. 22. Let's see what we have in this quick scratch session. 75 bucks. All right. 25 buck profit. Boy, that was fun. Man, you get so anxious because you're one scratch away from 2 million. You never know, guys. I hope you guys have luck. Please let me know in the comments below. And please subscribe and hit that like button.